Hello student, good morning. How are you all? Yes, in our last video you have learned about fun with MS Paint part 1. You also had learned what is MS Paint, how you can start your MS Paint, what is quick access toolbar, what is color plate, tabs and tools in MS Paint. So in this video you will learn part 2 of your chapter, that is fun with MS Paint. So let's start with the resize and skew. You can resize and skew your image. Okay, so first is resize command is used to change the size of the drawing by making it smaller or bigger. It means suppose you want to uh, make your image smaller or bigger, so you can use resize command. Okay, so how can you use your resize command? You need to follow some step. First you need to click on home tab. Where is home tab? Yes, click on select the image by dragging the mouse over it. In this picture I select picture number 1, as you can see, and then click on resize. Where is the resize? Yes, resize and skew dialog box will be appear. Here you can see it is a dialog box will be appears. Select the maintain ratio checkbox. Select the radio button of the pixel. You also select the percentage, but here you can select pixel. Okay, this is a radio button. Type the horizontal values, width, or vertical value means height. Okay, then click on OK. So the new size of the image will be appears. Okay, and what is skew? Yes, skew command is also used to resize the drawing either vertically and horizontally, or both, so that is appear slanted. So how you can skew your image? First you also need to click on home tab, then click on select, then click on select the image by dragging the mouse over it. Suppose I want to select this image. Click on resize. Again resize and skew dialog box will be appear. The same process. Type the amount of skew in the horizontal and vertical in the box, and then click on OK. Okay, so you can skew your image. In this image you can see image first and image second. Image first is a normal image, and the second image it is a skewing image. After skewing you can see your image like this. Okay, now flip and rotate. What is flip and rotate? In MS Paint provide as a flip and rotate function. Flip will create a mirror image of the picture. Okay, either horizontal or vertical. And rotate feature will change the position of your picture from different shape. So in this example you can see here used as a rotated function. Okay, so how can you rotate your image? First you need to click on home tab, then click on select the image by dragging the mouse over it. Suppose I want to select this image, this one. Click on rotate. Where is rotate? Yes, click on rotate. You can rotate right 90 degree, left 90 degree, rotate 180 degree. Okay, So you can choose anyone and then click on rotate. So click on rotation direction you want, or you can click on rotate option. So in this example you can see your pictures is rotated. Next is a flip. I also told you that flip will create a mirror image of the picture. Mirror image of the pictures. In this example you can see here I write in5step.com. So if you will change it to the flip command, you can see your image like this. Here you can see in the sentence in5step.com, you will see like this. Okay, so it means flip will create a mirror image of the picture. The next is a zoom in and zoom out. The zoom tool is used to get the bigger and closer view of the image. Okay, you can use zoom in and zoom out feature to see a larger or smaller view of your image. How you can do your pictures in a zoom in and zoom out? Yes, you need to click on view tab. Here not in a home tab. Okay, you can click view tab. Click on the following options. Click on zoom in to increase the zoom level. Where is zoom in? Yes, plus sign indicate zoom in, and minus sign is indicating zoom out. Okay, and click on 100% to see the actual size of the image. The image appears according to the option you have to selected. Okay, so in this example we have chosen zoom in option. The next is a copy and paste. Copy and paste is used to copy the image from one place and paste it to another place. Okay, you can save your time by copy and paste image instead of drawing it again and again. Suppose if you want to write your name 10 times. Okay, so no need to write your name 10 times. You can just write your name one times and copy it and paste it to another place where you want to write your name. Okay, so next is a cut and paste. Cut and paste is used to erase the drawing from place where it has been cut and pasted. So here you can see this example, cut and paste. Okay, how you can cut your image? First you need to click on home tab, click on select the image, click on cut. Where is cut? Yes, and paste it. And one more thing, the shortcut command of copy your image is Ctrl plus C, and Ctrl plus V is a paste. But if you want to cut your image, so the shortcut keys of cut your image is Ctrl plus X. Okay, Ctrl plus X is used to cut your image. Now what is the difference between cut and paste, cut and copy? Yes, cut remove the selected image from its original position, while copying create a duplicate of the original content. Okay, crop the image. The next one is crop the image. Crop feature of paint lets you see the part of the image you have selected. After cropping, only selected part of the image is visible. So how you can crop your image? First you need to click on home tab, then click on select, select the part, the image you want to see. Okay, click on crop. Only the selected part of the image will be appear. Okay, in the last, saving an image. While drawing your image, you need to save it side by side for future use. Okay, so how can you save your image? Click on paint button, paint menu will be appears. Click on save option. The shortcut key to save your drawing is Ctrl plus S. Okay, type the name for the image in file name text box. Click on save button to save your image. Okay, so this was all about your MS Paint. In our next video we will learn about WordPad. Okay, so bye bye.